Hello everyone, welcome to Science Park Inspiration Museum. During COVID-19, we have online tour to introduce our museum to everyone. Science Park Inspiration Museum is with 41 years history. It was the first phase standard factory of HSP. We kept a small part of it as a history landmark, and we renovated it as a museum to tell the story of the park. The first floor is Vision Hall, the second floor is Industry Hall, and the third floor is Culture Hall. Let me show you the products from a competition we call Innovations Products Award in 2020. This is embedding full-screen multi-finger fingerprint sensing LCD. Embedding full-screen multi-finger fingerprint sensor in display integrates the fingerprint recognition module into the LCD panel to specifically realize the function of the fingerprint recognition on the screen, and the future improve the efficiency of use. There is a large area to sensing and no need to limit to fix the sensing position. In use, the brand's company can change the sensing position according to the use situation, which greatly increases the flexibility and the convenience of use. This is e-ink Note. During COVID-19, a lot of students have to take class at home. This e-paper is really convenient for those students who need online learning. Teachers can use its USB connection to share the notes to the laptop or smartphone to give the lecture online. E-paper is not iPad. Teacher can write down the information, and it has an eraser as well. This is inside IEGD system. This is a capsule endoscope for appetite digestive tract, like esophagus, stomach, and the duodenum. Using a magnetic field navigator, sized just like this, you can swallow it easily and it's painless, no need to give an asphyxia. This device provides responsive real-time video. You can also watch the video while the doctor is examining. This is disposable, only used for one time, safer than traditional endoscopes. You need to empty your stomach for 8 hours before the examination, and this examination takes 15 to 30 minutes. It's faster and convenient. This is INAP1 sleep therapy system. Breathing with mouth while sleeping can be a serious health problem. It may cause snow, high blood pressure, or apnea. While sleeping, you need to wear this oral interface, and this system is designed to provide natural breathing without mask for OSA patients. It creates negative pressures within the oral cavity, only require intermittent suction at a very low flow rate. It is battery powered, compact, and suitable for people who need mobility, and its oral interface needs to be cleaned every 3 months. Here shows the achievements of HSP in green energy and environmental protection. This is hydrogen scooter. When we talk about electric scooter, in Taiwan we will think about Gogoro. But Gogoro still needs to charge battery, and battery needs nuclear or thermal power. This scooter doesn't need to charge battery nor gasoline. The power making of this scooter is by hydrogen. Hydrogen is from the bottles, and when we turn on the power of scooter, the hydrogen will react with the oxygen from the air to make the power, and it only releases water. It's eco-friendly, and the hydrogen can be used by a lot of transportations. For example, bus, cruise ship, or train. Currently, this company is developing the hydrogen golf cart. Here we have the video shows the process of IC making. This is the first 5th generation mobile network chips of MediaTek, Dimensity 1000, made by 7 nanometer. Trying to imagine how tiny 7 nanometer is. Our human single hair is like 30,000 to 50,000 nanometer. So now you may know how tiny this chip is. And we have a lot of products from Realtek, Novatec, and so on. This is an OLED eye care lamp. As we know, the light of OLED is softer than LCD. If you turn on the stronger light, you still can look at it straightly. And with the invention patent panel replaceable module, you can replace the panel by yourself, so it's environment friendly. This is a refractive model. Refractive module can be widely applied in agriculture, biomedical, drug, environmental protection, food and feed, food safety, green energy, petromedical, pharmaceutical, soil, textile, and so on. This is G913 gaming keyboards. G915GKL is a feat of engineering and design. It's incredibly refined, impossibly thin, and built with a no-compromise commitment to performance of future set. Durable, comfortable, and ready for intense gaming section. G915GKL is truly the next generation of gaming mechanical keyboards. This is handheld dental X-ray machine. We all have experience to go to the dentist. When we do X-ray examination, we need to pay attention on protecting our body from radiation. However, this X-ray machine is with low radiation. You don't need all the procedures for protecting yourself. It's just quick, like taking a picture. This is minimally invasive single-site spinal fixation system. It's designed for bump operation. This little navigation system helps doctor to locate the operation place, and the wound size is smaller than 2.5 cm. It takes 2 weeks to recover from the traditional operation, but with this new technique, you may be recovered in just 3 days. It also can be used on knee operation. The knee operation is easier and faster. The wound will be just like things train, and you could have an operation today and check out tomorrow. There are brooch and stem, which are used for hip bone replacement. The brooch with a spiral line distributed main cutting edge and the staggered broken teeth effectively improves the bone removing experience and reduces the resistance to brooch. This design saves operation time as well as generates better bone feedback during broaching procedure. The stem is made of coconut material to provide sufficient fatigue strength. UCP stem is available for variable offsets and the stem length to best fit different patients. This is router. Router is the machine to help you assist to network everywhere. This router with 4 antennas is for eSport, computer gaming, with 4K solution and no lagging during gaming and watching movies. This is a tiny model of wafer sorter. The real equipment is taller than 1 floor, and the unrobot is inside this equipment. The unrobot only takes 2.6 seconds to move the wafer from one side to the other side. As Taiwan and Japan are easy to suffer from earthquakes, the robot has a protection system. It can keep the wafer with the robot while the earthquake is happening. This is a LED Biolite. I think ladies will be more interested in this one. This machine is for full body, skincare, and the cosmetic surgery purpose. Different lights suit for different functions. Red light is for whitening and wound healing. Blue light is for balancing tissues. Yellow light is for collagen increasing. This is our tour today. Thank you for your listening. We hope you enjoy this video. Welcome to visit our museum when we open again. We are looking forward to seeing you. See ya!